Okay, Amory, you're doing a good job. There's his friend next to him. Just tether the brake. Push the brake a little more than this, kind of like, yeah, walk it. Then when you get down to the end, then you slowly turn. It's got so much aggression with the fuel already. You really don't need to push your gas unless you're out on the road. Good job. Now you can kind of just drive it right up there. And then you can go around it again, and then you can drive it right home.
Alright.
How's that?
Good.
And go a little further than you turn. That way you got enough room to make it. And tether the brake. Yep. Yep. Good job. Because it's a lot of turning compared to the golf cart, right?
Yeah.
Nice job. How old are you, Aim? 12. Look at this, everybody. He's only 12 years old. He's going to be driving before he knows it because he's going to get some practice like this. He's driving a 1973 Dodge Charger, everybody. Hey, Ozzy, how you doing?
Hey.
She's like, oh, man. Look at him. Doing a good job. Very good job. Had to get some equipment so you could run it, like tractors, bulldozers, skidsters, excavators. If you want to go around again, you can, or you want to go home, you can. Yeah, look at this. Very nice. If you what?
Back here is like a little pocket.
That's for ashtray. Probably, right? Is there an ashtray back there? Yep.
Really?
Yep. That's for when people used to smoke. They don't smoke as much as they used to. Thank goodness. The younger generation don't. Yeah, you're doing good. Definitely doing good. And you can give it a low gas if you want, but maybe not on now. Come to a stop, and then you can give it low gas to pull off of here. Yep. Watch, you'll see it's pretty touchy. Give it a gas. Don't be afraid. See? Look at him go. Heck yeah. Then when you get up here, start coming to a stop, and then turn wide. That means go to the left a little to turn right. Yep. Okay, start turning hard. Yep. Good job. Reason why I said wide is because this car's got a lot of steering like that. And then stay where you're at, because that way you don't get on the yard. Over that way a little bit. Okay. Now, keep your foot on the brake and put it in park. Yep. Nice job. Now, give it the gas. Punch it like that. There it goes. Yep. Oh, they go down. They go down. You don't know how?
Can you take us on a ride now?
I thought we did go for a ride, kiddo. Yeah, I'll take you for another ride. There she is. There they are. Look at that big driver. Did a wonderful job. They unloaded in the bus, the black bus. We should have these kind of cars for the school, right? Look at it. Beautiful.